Belfast and Dublin. I am coming for you. I'm coming to learn your accent. So I have got 3 coaching sessions available only left for Dublin. Don't. I'm coming over, and I'm obviously doing voice workshops and American workshops and British workshops. I'm just doing one-on-one coaching. So there's 3 slots available for one-to-one coaching on the 10th of March in Dublin town, city, place. I've never been. From 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. The link is in my bio. I will put it here as well. And if you would like to book me, then go ahead and we can catch up and you can work on your accents with me. But I'm actually coming to record some accents for the Accent Bank as well. So if you'd like to meet up with me in Dublin or in Belfast, because I need to record some accents for the Accent Bank. And if you're watching this and you'd like to record your accent for me, theaccentbank.com, record your accent for me so I can learn it. All right, my darlings, have a beautiful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.